Yo, what's up guys? So right now I'm gonna be returning this VR back to where it came from because I don't trust it. I had a bad VR experience. We're gonna start vlogging a lot more this year, so let's get locked in and let's get it. You know, life hasn't been good. If you bring VR in your life, actually it helps you escape from reality. And I think the problem is with most people, they want to escape reality too much. I've always been a person that's never really been into drugs. I haven't been the person to really ever fit in the masses of society. So having the VR takes me out of reality that I don't like. Because I like to have control of my own mind. When my mind is fucked with in any kind of way, it's not a good thing for me. So that's why we're returning to VR. I did not have a good experience at all. So let's do it. Once I left the VR world, I felt like I was still in a simulation. It's crazy because there's a lot of people who do experience this and they say, well, it'll wear off within 3 weeks or a month. And I'm like, I don't want to feel like that for 3 weeks and a month. I just want to enjoy the game without my mind playing tricks on me, thinking that I still had the headset on. And it's crazy because a lot of people had different experiences, a lot worse. And I only had it on for an hour. And I'm experiencing this visualization of like, am I real? I start questioning if everything's real. Are we in a fucking simulation? If you guys are looking for a trip or any kind of disassociating feeling and you like that shit, try the VR. It might do it, may do it for you, may not. I don't know. Everyone's different. But it did it for me and I did not like it. So that's why we're returning it. So let's get out of here. Okay, so we just pulled up to Whole Foods, which is such an odd place to return. I don't know why Amazon, since I was like, why am I returning a package at Whole Foods? Isn't it fucking grocery store? Why am I returning a package here? Amazon recommends that you come here if you don't have a label to print. They do everything for you here. I don't know, this is some Santa's fucking elf shop over here that I don't even know about. This is the first time doing this, so let's go in. I got the barcode too. You scan it.
I'm sorry, it popped up on my stuff.
Oh, okay, you're all good.
You're all set.
Sweet. That'll be it?
Yep.
Okay, thank you very much. Easy work. All you gotta do is return it. It was actually pretty cool, man. They have like their own little shop up in there. Returning the package, actually I just got confirmation that I returned it. Sweet. I don't have to pay $350 for a fucking drunk goggles that I had to wear and also escape reality. So we're back in reality. I like reality a lot better, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe, leave a like, and comment down below. Let's keep it positive and yada yada. I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Actually, you know what? There is a couple abandoned buildings that I'm gonna go visit and see if I could get into there. So, as long as we could get past the police, I see no problem making this happen. And then we'll make this into a second video. But let's take a little sneak peek and let's get it. Let's check this out. This is cool. It's so cool, man. Actually, it's open. Insane. Crazy. I don't think we're gonna go too deep in because I don't have a flashlight and it's very dark, so. Plus, if anything happens, I am completely alone, so it might be a bad idea to do that. If you guys want me to come back to this location, because there's literally a building over there, there's a couple over there, I think we're gonna drive up that way a little more. If you guys want me to come back, you could do that. Just want to give you guys a little sneak peek. We'll do a video a little later on. It's actually not too bad today, weather-wise, but I wanted to show you because I've been seeing this location for quite some time, and I never bothered to travel over here. Yo, check this out. Yo, this is so cool. This is incredible, man. Like I said, we're not gonna go inside, but I really want to get the outside of this. Oh, this is so cool, man. Yo, check that out. Dude, it's been years since I did some exploring, but man, this is incredible, man. There's a bunch of buildings everywhere. It's actually another abandoned house right over there. We're gonna check that one out. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's the biggest one I see over here. Check that out, guys. This one's huge. Looks like we found our opening right there. That's pretty cool. Maybe they probably knocked down a lot of them since. But I think this is going to conclude our little exploration for today. Besides us returning the package and doing everything. So this is basically my day. Gonna head back home. We're gonna do some edits, and yeah, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you. God bless.